This is going to be the Ranch Home Plan View assignment for grade 11. Okay, so we've got our plan view represented here. The assignment is to draw this exact drawing, although let's kind of take it easy on the detail for the appliances and the furniture. You have the option to import it from the 3D warehouse, which that's your call. But my marking scheme, I'm not really looking at super detail, so it's probably a lot quicker and more efficient to draw it yourself. But that's up to you. And the only real dimensions, I'd like you to have all the dimensions on, but the only dimensions I'm looking to see that you adhere to is 26 by 68, okay? And your doors should be 34 inches wide and the walls should be 4 inches thick. Okay, so that being said, okay, and also make sure that you include all the labels, okay? So let's go 26 by 68. That's going to be our first thing we do. Okay, so we're going to type in 26 feet, comma, space, 68 feet, enter. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to throw on my dimensions right now. Click. Okay, there's my 26. And there's my 68. Okay. Let's grab some offset and make some 4-inch walls. Okay. So we got a 10, an 8, and a 12 foot 8 room. Okay. So for the demonstration, I'm not going to go from beginning to end. I'm just going to get you started. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to work on this little part here, and that pretty much has everything that the remainder of the house has. So let's look at 10, 8, and 12, 8. Okay. So let's just rotate this so it's a little more. Let's see. Let's grab our tape measure. And let's measure over 10 feet. Okay. Now before I get too carried away, I need to address something, and that is this dimension, like these walls and these locations, aren't really represented in this diagram. So more or less use your professional judgment. So for this wall here, that looks like it's in the middle, so I'm going to use the middle. That's going to be what I'm going to. So let's just go in here, snap our midpoint, and just go to the end for now. Okay. I'll make it 4 inches thick, and let's go 4 inches. Get our pencil. Green means straight. Okay, so now we can start bringing this stuff over as I draw. Let's get some wall thickness in there. Okay. And the other one's 8 and 12, 8. Okay. Let's go. Get it a little tighter. Okay, so let's get our 12 foot 8 inches. And let's just make sure we got what we've, yep, 12 foot 8 inches. Okay. Okay. Let's grab a pencil. And there we go. So we got the basics of these rooms. Now, the doors are 34 inches, so that's going to make things easy just to kind of like chop all this off, okay? So let's go up 34 inches. Okay. 34 inches. Okay. Let's just go like so, all the way over here. Okay. There we go. Now, this little dotted line here, this is just from the tape measure. You can leave it. You're not going to lose any marks for that. Door opens in here. It's perfectly acceptable. Just grab this, draw a line. Don't go up like this. Try and stay below this, and just show that that's how the door opens, okay? So we also have a door here, which is 34. Okay, let's go 34. Okay, we're going to come back to that in just a... Let's see, oops, we got... Okay, let's do that door. Like quick. Let's not open it too much. We got some detail that we're working on inside here later. Okay, now we're also going to have to create a wall. We look at our ranch home here. Got like a little linen closet, and they're not giving us... that door is definitely not the same as that one. So let's keep things nominal. If these, entry and exit doors are 34, these little doors, let's call them 24. So yeah, professional judgment. Let's call them 24, okay? So let's go 24 inches. And that's going to be that. And that's going to be the wall. Okay? That's going to be the wall. And move over. Okay. Okay. We'll go up 4 inches. Okay. And over here, let's see, let's look at this. We're going to put a door here, and we got a door here. So these are the stairs that go down into the basement. A lot of doors going on here. Okay, so let's go tape measure over here, 34, and it's going to open up in there. I'm going to erase this one and leave in this one for the bathroom. Oops, I didn't undo. Oh, okay. Let's see. Let's go right here for now. And that should allow us to, yeah, it did. Okay. Okay, let's go like so. And go like so. Okay, I'm going to go up 4. Let's just go over here. Okay. I'm going to put the stair detail in later, not during this demonstration. So let's just do door, okay. Let's go. So that door goes out like so. And we'll get rid of this. Let's just draw a little wall here. Okay. There we go there. Let's just grab tape measure and say from here to here. 30. You know what? Let's just grab this. Click, click. And go 34 from here. Okay. Now we'll just do that. And let's open up this. Let's say, there we go. Open up so, like so. Okay. Now we're going to do some of the detail for this bathroom. So we got a little sink, toilet, and looks like it could be a bathtub or a stand-up shower. It's hard to tell, but it's all good. So let's just go. Pretty much that whole wall is going to be okay. So let's go like. Just stop shy. Click like there. So let's do this toilet bowl. Okay, toilet bowl like so. Okay, grab our circle. And let's just try and get that in the middle. Doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, let's do our sink in here. And let's do our shower bathtub where we get clean. Okay, let's put a little drain hole in there. Okay, we've got that detail. Now the reason I'm going to leave this line in here, like right there, is because we've got this tile pattern, and I personally think it makes more sense to grab your paint bucket and then come on down to the tile and throw some tile in. Let's throw some tile in. If you don't have that line, it's going to fill up everything, okay, because it's not a closed area. Okay, so that's the reasoning behind that. So we got bedroom 3, 2. So let's throw on a little bit of 3D text just for the demonstration's sake. Once again, oddly enough, your 3D text is located in the drop-down menu for the rectangle. Make sure we're using the right one. Yes, we are. Okay, drop this off. That's not really the orientation that we're looking for. So let's use our rotator, try to get it on a flat surface. And there you go. Okay. So that pretty much gets you started. We've addressed some of the mathematical issues, like we can use the door to more or less come up with the layout. Closing this up using the paint can and our 3D text. So that's it for this assignment.